Careful not to hurt yourself. You can do it. Just unzip it.
Just unzip it. It's already unzipped. You opened it. Pretty heady. Get out. Oh, yeah.
Unzip it all the way.
Okay.
There you go.
Oh, my goodness.
What is it?
Where's the remote?
You want to open it? It's on the bottom. Okay, I'll open it and put batteries in it, but what do we say to Auntie Jenny and Uncle Eric?
Thank you, Uncle Jenny. Thank you, Auntie Eric. Thank you, Eric.
Look at Hank. Can you look at Mommy?